So good morning, my dear children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm fine,
ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
What about you?
I am also doing good. Okay, thank you, thank you. So shall we start today's session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So as I had told you, I had sent something and I had asked you to do it. Many of you have done that. I'm very happy. So I'll just read out, means I'll just read out the topic which was sent for you to make a diary entry. Here, you are Mehul or Meena. You reside in Jammu and Kashmir. It was the first snowfall after the onset of winter. Write a diary entry in 50 words. This was the topic which you were supposed to make a diary entry. Now, how many of you have made a diary entry? Just put the hand up. Just put the hand up. Now, each and every one we are not going to discuss. I just want two people to discuss. So, Mayaza, can you discuss, my dear? Can we discuss your diary entry, my dear Mayasa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Please read out. How have you written?
Dear diary, today I went to Dal Lake for shopping.
Okay,
I bought
Mayasa, before that, before writing diary entry, what are we supposed to write?
date.
Yes, that all you should read out because each
Yes, ma'am.
step carries mark. Okay, Mayasa?
Yes, ma'am. I write in the first. I just didn't read it.
I wrote. Okay, start again.
September 16. Dear diary, today I went to Dal Lake for shopping. I bought a red shawl with black spots. There were so many tourists. The wind was gushing in. I felt something cold on my nose. I looked up and saw the fluffy snowflakes coming down. They were so pretty and cold. It was the first snowfall of this year.
Okay. At last, what should you write when you end the diary entry? Right?
Your name.
Name. Right.
Yes, ma'am, I've written that.
Okay. Very good, Mayasa. Very good. Because as a first time child, the first attempt, right? This is a topic you are learning for the first time. So very good, Mayasa. Great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So what about Prarthana? Prarthana, my dear, please read out. Shringa, why don't you put your hand down, my dear Shringa? Just wait for a minute, okay?
September 16, Friday. Dear Diary, today I was very happy as it was the first snowfall after the onset of winter. It was all covered with snow. The snow has covered my house, trees, roads, and vehicles. I built a snowman with my brother. I felt very cold and I wore my jacket. My mother made me a hot cup of tea and I played with my huskies. I was loving that day. Thanks, Pratna SS.
Very good. Well done. Come on, give her a clap. Well done. Well done. Very good. Okay. Shringa VS, the last one. Okay, the last one. Shringa VS, please read out, my dear.
Dear Diary, this day was the beautiful day in my life. When I woke up, I saw the snowfall through the window. It was my first experience with snow. I played with the snow and I also took pictures with snow. It was the best day in my life.
Okay, Shringa. Very good. Come on, give her also a clap. So Mayasa, Shringa, and Pratana, well done, my dear. Okay, now how many of you have done? Just put the hand up. Let me see. Because see, we have no time to discuss each and everyone's diary entry. I'm very happy to know that many of you have done this diary entry. And the people who have not done, the children who have not done, hope so you have got an idea how to make a diary entry, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
today or tomorrow, I'll be sending another topic. Don't forget to make a diary entry, right? It is there
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
exam and it carries 5 marks, 5 solid marks. So please get ready and always take care of this point. Whenever you write a diary entry, please use the past tense. Because when do you write a diary? You don't write the diary early in the morning. When do we write the diary? Usually we write the diary about that day at the end of the day, just before going to.
Yes, ma'am.
So very happy to see that many of you have done. Very good. So shall we move on to the reading comprehension passage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please take your reading comprehension passage. So this was the passage which I had forwarded to you. Catherine, why don't you read? Can you read from the screen, Catherine?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yeah, please read out, my dear.
Studying at home. Pedro is 12 years old and he's Portuguese. Pedro is a good student and he usually gets good results in his tests and exams. But he now doesn't go to school. The truth is he lives in a big city where there are many schools, but all the schools are closed. There is a pandemic in the world and children can't go to school. Pedro studies at home. He has
got books.
He has got books, pens and pencils. But his lessons are on the computer. Every morning, Pedro sits in front of his laptop for 3 hours and watches and listens to his lessons. His teachers use cameras and interactive worksheets, talk to his teachers and the other students in his class. In the afternoon, Pedro often does his own homework or he reads history, geography, or math books. He always emails his homework to his teachers on Friday afternoon. All the children are at home at the moment. Pedro misses his friends and his teachers, but he knows that he has to stay at home. It is all for the best. He hopes the pandemic goes away to go back to school and play in the schoolyard with his friends.
Catherine, thank you for reading and excellent reading, Catherine. Okay, keep it up, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope so you got an idea about the reading comprehension, which Catherine read out just now. This was the same thing which I had sent you yesterday. Now, hope so you have done. Shall we discuss the questions? Shall we discuss?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Look at the heading here. What is given there? Read the text and say if the sentences are true or false and correct the false ones. Okay, you have to correct the false ones. Now, look at the first one. Pedro lives in a big city. If you know the answer, just put the hand up so that I ask you. Pedro lives in a big city. Is it right or wrong? Athar?
True.
True. Very good. It's true, right? Because it is there. He lives in a big city. Okay. He goes to school every day. He goes to school every day. Amaya?
False.
False. What is the right answer, my dear?
False.
False. What is the right answer? How can you correct that sentence?
Ma'am, he does not go to the school
every day. He doesn't go to school every day. Good, Amaya. Good. Look at the next one. All the children are at home at the moment because they are tired. All the children are at home at the moment because they are tired. True or false? Put the hand up. Let me see. Be fast now. All the children are at home at the moment because they are tired. Vedika?
False.
False. Why the children are at home? Now look at yourself. Why are you at home? Why are you learning through online? Why?
because of pandemic.
Pandemic.
What is the situation?
Because of corona.
Yeah.
Because of pandemic.
Yeah, because of the pandemic, because of corona, because of COVID-19. So all of you are at home and learning through online sessions, right? So what is it?
In some other states, school has reopened.
How can you correct this sentence? All the children are at home at the moment because they are tired. Vedika, can you hear me? How do you correct this, my dear? All the children are at home at the moment because of
the pandemic.
Pandemic. That is enough. Okay, because of the pandemic. Good. Every morning, Pedro stays in bed. Every morning, Pedro stays in bed. Arush?
False.
False. What is the right answer, my dear?
Every morning, Pedro Sits in front of his laptops for 3 hours.
And watches and listens to his lessons. Very good, very good, Arish. His lessons last 3 hours. His lessons last 3 hours. True or false? True or false? Pranav, what about Pranav? Why don't you give me the answer, Pranav?
True.
Oh, very good, very good. So did you get an idea how to read a passage and answer the questions that follow? Now I am not going to give you again the same passage, and the pattern will be changed. Okay, the same pattern. Now, how was the pattern of the question which I gave in the passage? Like true or false, and you have to correct the wrong answers. Sometimes we have only the questions based on the passage. So what should you do? You have to read the passage carefully. Everything is there in the passage. Everything will be there in the passage. You have to read the passage carefully and answer the questions. Okay. Hope so you don't have any doubt about the diary entry and reading comprehension. If you have any doubt, please ask me now.
No, ma'am.
So shall we move on to the test, my dear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
I had sent you certain questions and I had asked you to learn. Now I have prepared one. There are some extra questions, but from the notes, it's take your rough book and please be ready with the pencil. Anyhow, that wish I am not going to fulfill. Okay. Why am I asking you to write a written test? Because it will help you to improve your handwriting, spelling, everything. Okay, Hadi? Yes. Okay. So please be ready with your rough book and a pencil. I am going to give you the questions. I don't want anyone to talk. So please mute your device and start writing.
Ma'am, I can't write.
1 minute. I'll come back to you. Okay, just a minute. Let me. Okay, who is not able to write?
Me, Sweden.
What happened to Sweden, my dear?
My hand is fractured.
Okay. Then you just look at the questions and just try to recollect. Okay, my dear Sweden?
Okay, ma'am.
Look at the questions. I shall read out for you. Please be fast. Only 10 minutes you will get. It is 12:09. So 12:19. Latest by 12.
You need to write this.
You have to write this, Yuvan. Please take your rough book and start writing. Look at the first
And
question.
question 2.
Abu. What is that?
Question 2.
No, you don't write the question. Please don't write the question. Write only
Okay, ma'am.
the answer. Be fast. Okay. Who was Abu? What did the king order his guards to do? How did the king describe a lie? Where was everyone waiting for the king? What does the poet wonder about? Where does the poet think the bird wants to fly? Okay, fly is missing here. Fly, it is fly. Then, whom does the poet think the bird would want to fly with? What is the poor boy's name? What is common between the prince and the poor boy? How old is Lady Elizabeth? What is special about Lady Mary? Your time starts now. By 12:20, we stop writing. Okay? Anne Maria, hope so you are writing, my dear Anne Maria. Arush, Advaita, turn on your video. Niran, are you not writing, Niran? Niran, please unmute your device, Niran. Niran,
Ma'am, I'm in my grandmother's house.
don't you have rough book with you, my dear Niran?
No, ma'am.
At least a paper. Niran, try to get a paper and start writing, my dear. This will help you out. Okay. Shringa, my dear, please turn on your video.
Ma'am, what is the second question?
What did the king order his guards to do?
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Be fast.
Ma'am, I joined late.
Okay, my dear. See, there is a test now, written test going on. So please take your rough book and please look at the board. You have the questions here on the screen. So just start writing. Write only the answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we only need to write the answers.
Yeah, you please write only the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Go copy the questions at all. Please write only the answers. Be fast. Okay.
Ma'am, eighth question, I think so. It
Poor
is
boy's
not there.
name. What is the poor boy's name? Which boy have you come across? And what is his name? You just go back and think which boy did you learn about?
Okay, ma'am.
ആണ് വെച്ചോണ്ട് ഇരുന്നൂടെ
Why don't you
അല്ല ഞാൻ അറിയാൻ പറ്റായിട്ട് ചോദിക്കുന്നത് നിന്നോട് ഞാൻ
your device and material?
Show the board. Ma'am, can you please show the board?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Ma'am, could you read the sixth question?
Where does the poet think the bird wants to fly?
Okay, ma'am.
Where does the poet think the bird wants to fly?
Ma'am, 8 and 9, we have to write our own.
No, Yuvan, I think so. It's given to you. If you have,
No, ma'am.
okay, you write of your own. Just think and write. It's not something new. It's very common, right? Yes, you just think and write. What is the poor boy's name? Did you get the answer? No need of telling the answer. Did you get the answer, my dear children? For 8th question.
Yes, ma'am.
For 9th question, did you get the answer? What is common between the prince and the poor boy? There is something common between them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Okay. 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 Please start. Please write. And please be fast so that we discuss the answers of this.
Finished.
Okay, Atha, we will wait for others to finish. So it's already 12:16. 4 minutes more.
Ma'am, can you please add 2 minutes? Ma'am, there are 11.
But you keep the time in mind.
Ma'am,
Okay.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
In the sixth question, after
Ma'am, I
two,
can't see the
what is
board.
that word?
Fly, my dear. Sorry, I have written with the blue color pen. Can you see there? It's fly. Where does the poet think the bird wants to fly?
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Ma'am, can you read the sixth one?
Check your network. Check your network. 6th one. Where does the poet think the bird wants to fly? Now, whoever has finished, what should you do? Please check your answers. Check the spellings. Each question carries 1 mark each. Okay.
I checked also.
Check. You all check. Okay, Athar, wait. Let everybody finish. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, the eighth question also we want to write in sentence.
No, my dear, I didn't follow you. Please be a little bit louder.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me, Achyut.
Ma'am, eighth question also we want to write in sentence.
We have to, should we write in a sentence? Yes, of course, you have to write in a sentence. Shall I stop sharing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, give me Hale. Hale Teresa, please tell me, what do you want to know?
Ma'am, I'm only reading the same question. Same question's answer.
7th question.
Ma'am, I can hear you. Ma'am, finish.
Why don't you use your device? Seventh question, whom does the poet think the bird would want to fly with? Whom does the poet think the bird would want to fly with? So as per the time given, there is only 1 minute more. So as somebody requested, I'll give you 1 minute extra. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that was Achyut.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, that is very helpful.
Okay, please write fast. Be fast.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you for the extra time.
Okay. Don't talk now, or else you will get disturbed.
Finish. Ma'am, I had finished in 10 seconds.
Okay, Chit, please mute your device and stop writing. We are going to discuss because it's already 12:22. Only 8 minutes more. We have to discuss the answers. Okay. So please mute your device.
I'm already finished.
Whomever I will ask, only that particular child is going to answer my question. Okay.
Ma'am, Aris is present.
Now look at the first question. What was the first question? Who was Abu? Who was Abu? Arjun Vinayak, why don't you answer this question, my dear Arjun? Who was Abu? Arjun? Arjun has got some network issue, I suppose. Vaishnav, who was Abu, Vaishnav?
Abu was a wise man who never lied.
Abu was a wise man who never lied. Just look into your book. Abu was a wise man who never lied. Should I write the spellings on the board? Should I write the answer on the board? Abu was a wise man. Okay. Abu was a wise man who never lied. Please check the spellings. If everything is right, please allot 1 mark. Okay. Now, what was the next question? What did the king order his guards to do? What did the king order his guards to do? Achyut, answer my question, my dear Achyut. What did the king order his guards to do?
The king said,
Please be louder. Please be louder.
ma'am, can you hear me? The king ordered his guards to bring Abu to the palace.
Very good. The king ordered his guards to bring
Abu to the palace.
to the palace. Okay. Okay. So what was the third question? The third question was, how did the king describe a lie? How did the king describe a lie? How did the king describe a lie? Who is going to answer my question? Hazel.
The king described that a lie is a cunning. It can slip off your tongue easily.
A lie is cunning. How do you pronounce that word? A lie is cunning, and it can slip off your tongue easily. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question, I think so we can just read out, right? Because it will take so much time for me to write now. Now the fourth question, where was everyone waiting for the king? Where was everyone waiting for the king? Janvi. Janvi, my dear, can you hear me? Please unmute your device.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, my dear. Where was everyone waiting for the king?
Everyone waiting for the king at the summer palace.
Everyone was waiting for the king at the summer palace. Just check your answers. When I am giving you the answer, please check your answer. If everything is right, please give 1 mark. Everyone was waiting for the king at the summer palace. Fifth one, what does the poet wonder about? Adidev MB. What does the poet wonder about, Adidev?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, my dear Adidev. Please give me the answer.
Ma'am, here was an emergency thing. My grandmother was not well, and I didn't.
You didn't write. Okay, please mute your device. Mayasa, do you know the answer, Mayasa? What does the poet wonder about?
The poet wonders why the bird looks pallid and weak.
Very good. What does the poet wonder about? The poet wonders why the bird looks pallid and weak. Gloomy and weak, gloomy and pallid. Okay? Okay, if you have written these two words, weak or pallid or gloomy, please give the answer. The poet wonders why the bird looks gloomy and weak. Good, Mayasa. Where does the poet think the bird wants to fly? Where does the poet think the bird wants to fly? Evelyn.
The caged bird wants to fly in the azure sky.
The bird wants to fly in the azure sky. Good, Evelyn. With whom does a bird want to fly? Right? Whom does the poet think the bird would want to fly with? Athar is putting both the hands up, so let me give a chance. Okay, come on, Athar, give me the answer. Yes.
Poet thinks that the bird wants to fly with his kith and kin.
Very good. The poet thinks that the bird wants to fly with his kith and kin. Then we move on to the 8th question. What is the poor boy's name? What is the poor boy's name? Which poor boy did we come across? Vedika, what is the poor boy's name, Vedika?
The poor boy's name is Tom Candy.
The poor boy's name is Tom Canty. Very good. Adira, please answer to my 9th question. What is common between the prince and the poor boy? What is common between the prince and the poor boy? Unmute, my dear. You just need to unmute. Okay. How many of you have written the answer for this question? What is the common thing between the... Oh, many. Very good. Sribhadra, please give me the answer. What is the common thing between the...
The common thing between prince and poor boy was they were born in one day.
They were born on the same day, but in different surroundings. Thank you for reading. Look at we move on to the next one. That is, how old is Lady Elizabeth? How old is Lady Elizabeth?
Ma'am,
How old is Aditya Krishna? Please answer my question, my dear Aditya. How old is Lady Elizabeth?
Ma'am, he was not there in the class for 2-3 months. He's not having textbooks with him.
Okay. Okay, so who is going to give me the answer? You won.
Lady Elizabeth was 14 years old.
Yes, Lady Elizabeth is 14 years old. And what is the last question? What is special about Lady Mary? What is special about Lady Mary? Amaya.
Lady Mary does not allow the servants to laugh.
Lady Mary did not allow the servants.
To laugh.
How do the sheep pass by? Please just put the hand up so that I understand that you are interested in answering. How do the sheep pass by? Achyut.
Ma'am, the sheep passes by leisure.
Leisurely.
Leisurely.
Okay, leisurely. The sheep passes by leisurely. What does the word melancholy mean? What does the word melancholy mean? What about Shringa Srijit, my dear? Do you know the answer? What does the word melancholy mean? Shringa? Hail Teresa. Hail Teresa, please give me the answer, my dear. What do you mean by the word?
The meaning of melancholy is a sad mood. Excuse me, ma'am, you're stuck.
Okay.
No, ma'am, you're not stuck.
Okay, my dear. Okay. Now look at the next one. When we have, where do the small birds sing in the morning? Where do the small birds sing in the morning? Janvi.
The small birds sing in the orchard trees in the morning.
The small birds sing in the orchard tree early in the morning. Okay. Joyarik, why don't you repeat the same answer, my dear Joyarik? Where do the small birds sing in the morning?
Sing in the orchard.
Orchard. The small birds sing in the orchard tree early in the morning. Also, you got an idea?
Ma'am.
Enjoy today's revision test. Did you enjoy today's revision test?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Did you enjoy the revision test today?
Yes, ma'am.
I will be sending you a diary entry and a reading comprehension. Today I will send you a diary entry. Tomorrow I will send you a reading comprehension. So please be ready. We will discuss in the class on Wednesday. And for Monday,
Excuse me, ma'am.
for you to learn all the meanings. So please be ready. My dear children, it's already time up. Let me wind up. So thank you. Bye bye.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Whenever you learn, see that you write and learn. Okay. So see you on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.